Welcome to Odin's Playtime! Hi, Grogu! Come on in. So what do you want to play? I've got cards. Kaboosh, kaboosh. I've got Paw Patrol. Bram, bram, bram. Uh-oh. I've got this cool globe if you want. Spin around. You can see China, Russia. Biscuits. You wouldn't like them. Am I saying things? What? How did you do that? It's flying! What was that for? Don't do it, don't do it! Ow! Grogu, stop it! My face. Gah! I've tracked them down.
Odin, why is the biscuit on the floor?
Huh?
He did something. The biscuit was floating and it hit me on the head.
I don't believe it. I think it's time for your friend to go home.
What? Well, that was crazy. These are some more of my cool videos here on Odin's Playtime. To watch, just scroll down and click on my picture, just like. Don't forget to hit the red button so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time!